In this video, we're going to take a look how you can access Microsoft Teams app from your Play Store, Android. Let me hit Play Store in my app and I look for Microsoft Teams app. As you know, I have already downloaded the Microsoft Teams app here. Let me switch to the Microsoft Teams and sign in with my Microsoft account. Please make sure that the Outlook account or Gmail account does not work here. It's a very special Office 365 license which comes from Microsoft to access your SharePoint, Power Automate, Power Apps, Microsoft Teams and many more apps. If you don't know, if you don't have, just go look at the description link where I mentioned the URL to sign up. I have already one account. Let me just sign in up. Now it takes me to the Microsoft Teams credential where I need to write my password. Let me sign in. As you know, it says you can collaborate with others, teams, chat, files, collaboration and lot more things. As we know, in social media people love notification. There's an activity tab which talks about all the notification that I have received in my Microsoft Teams. I can go and filter it. I can also go and search my mention buttons. And then I could start with a chat. In the top there is a search menu. You can start a chat by writing the person name. You search through the people, messages, files, etc. But I just wanted to start a chat with Alex here. Let me click on message. Hello. As you can see I have just messaged Alex, and in the top there is an icon which says video and audio call. Let me press audio. It just takes me to audio call, and once you are done with that you may need to start with video call. Once it is done, you may need to look at some more options. You may want to mute the chat notification, you want to view this file and view profile as well. So these things are quite there. You can go and explore. The very important aspect of mobile app is having an audio video conferencing to join. There's a calendar tab that you have to click, and if you have a meeting coming you just need to see there's a title called test meeting and there's a button to join. Once I go and join to this meeting, it actually takes my video, the microphone, the speaker, and I just need to join by simply going to the join button. Now once I join this meeting, I can start talking to the people, I can mute, unmute myself, and lots of other things are here. Now let me also show you a couple of things that comes by default in this. One of the camera app is, you can take a picture, upload to a channel, or you can have a chat around that. And then you see one of the file tab which takes you to the OneDrive of this account. And if you don't know what is OneDrive is a cloud storage where you add files and you can start working on it. As you know, I have already a presentation that's coming from somewhere. I can just probably click on it and I read the presentation by just clicking on one button, and I can quickly go to understand what's content in there. Everything is possible, like your audio, video, file sharing, joining to a meeting, inviting a guest to your meeting. Let me also show you how you can set up a meeting quickly. So I want to set up a meeting for my project review, and I will add some of the participants here in this. I will select the time, an agenda and a description. Once everything done, you select this and it set up a meeting invite in the Alex calendar, and he will take a look and join. You see it's 1 AM to 1:30. I just go and join this meeting and everything is working. That's all I have today in this quick video in explaining how you can take your mobile experience with Microsoft Teams. Look forward to many more videos in the future and let us know how you feel about this video in comment section. Guys, if you like, subscribe and comment, it's gonna be a huge motivation in building these videos to us. Thank you.
I hope you liked the explanation. If you did, please do subscribe our channel and let me know if you have any queries regarding Microsoft Teams. I would be very happy to resolve them in comments. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy learning.